Bonjour à tous.
Welcome to Jeremy Watson Educational Center. Today, we are going to learn the French alphabet A to Z with clear pronunciation and sounds. The French alphabet has 26 letters, just like English. But the pronunciation is different, and that's what makes French special. This lesson is perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who wants to start learning French. Let's get started. Repeat after me.
A.
Aigle.
B.
B. Banane.
C.
C. Chat.
D.
D. Dauphin.
E.
E. Éléphant.
F.
F. Fleur.
G.
G. Girafe.
H.
H. Hérisson.
I.
I. Instrument.
J.
J. Jazz.
K.
K. Kiwi.
L.
L. Lion.
M.
M. Mangue.
N.
N. Narcisse.
O.
O. Ours.
P.
P. Pomme.
Q.
Q. Quat.
R.
R. Rose.
S.
S. Sport.
T.
T. Tennis.
U.
U. Unicorne.
V.
V. Violon.
W.
W. Wakeboard.
X.
X. Xylophone.
Y.
Y. Yoga.
Z.
Z. Zèbre.
Now, let's repeat the full French alphabet together.
A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Very good. Practice conversation between the teacher and student.
Bonjour. Today we'll practice the French alphabet.
Yes, I'm ready.
How do you say the letter A in French?
A is pronounced.
Excellent. What about B?
B is pronounced.
B,
Very good. Can you say C, D, and E?
C is pronounced.
C,
D is pronounced.
D,
E is pronounced.
L.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
Now it's time for a quick quiz. Choose the correct answer. Which letter is pronounced?
P,
P.
How is the letter B pronounced in French?
B,
How do we pronounce the letter U in French?
U,
Which letter is pronounced
J,
in French?
J.
Which letter is pronounced
G,
G.
You did an amazing job today. Now you know the French alphabet and its sounds. Keep practicing every day. Watch this video again for better pronunciation. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, leave a comment, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Thanks for watching.